Hello and welcome to eLearning Pundit's YouTube channel. Today I will be going to demonstrate how you can use interactive videos in your Adobe Captivate 2019 project. It's a very new feature that Adobe Captivate introduced in this release. So in order to add an interactive video, you simply need to go to the interactive video icon from the top and click it. Once I click, you get a pop-up window where you can import a video from your computer or from YouTube. Both of the options give you same capabilities if you are importing it from the computer or using a URL from a YouTube video. Now for this example, I already have my project ready and I will be going to use a YouTube video. So in order to do that, I need to grab the URL for my video and just paste it next to the URL window. So let's take a look here. I have this YouTube video imported using the interactive video icon here. And if I click it on the right hand side, I can see the YouTube URL that I'm using here. Inside the timeline, you will notice there are two new options. One is the bookmark and second one is the overlay. Bookmark gives you the opportunity to add a bookmark and later you can jump to this bookmark at any point of time. Second one is the overlay, where you can use a slide as an overlay object and this can show you the information during the video. In order to use the overlay, I need to add slides in my project that can be used as overlay objects. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a content slide. So this is a slide that is already added in my project and you can do it by going to the plus sign and adding a blank slide or a content slide from here. Once my slide is added, now I am ready to insert this slide as overlay in my project. You just need to pick the timing where you would like to add it as an overlay. So you just need to go to that particular timing, and in my example I would be going to set it after 8 seconds. So click the plus sign, pick the slide which you want to use as overlay slide. Click it and hit insert. Once done, you can click here again and see which slide is added now as an overlay object. Let's take a look how it will gonna look like on actual project. So let's preview it from preview and HTML5 in browser. So my project is loading. I'm clicking the play button. So this is how my project has started, and after 8 seconds it should show me my overlay object, and here we go. So after few seconds it will gonna automatically play, and this timing would be adjusted from the timing that you have given for your overlay slide. For this one I have given it 5 seconds, so this slide can stay for 5 seconds on my interactive video and later it can continue with the video. Alright, I was able to use my first overlay slide inside my interactive video. Let's move on to the bookmarking now. So in this video, I'm going to jump to 16th second. I'm moving my play bar at 16th second and I'm going to click the plus sign for bookmark this time. Once I click the plus sign, it gives me an opportunity to add my own name here. I'm adding a name objective. Click the check mark to save it. Once done, and if I move here, so now you can see there is a bookmark and it has the name that I have given. Now this bookmark doesn't do anything actually on the project, but this is just a timing where I can jump if I'm making a decision to jump at a particular timing. So now let's see how we can jump to this particular bookmark. In my project, I have a knowledge check slide added, and you can do it by going to the plus sign and adding a knowledge check slide. Make sure you can only add a knowledge check slide inside an interactive video. You cannot add a normal quiz question. Once you have your knowledge check question ready, you can simply insert this knowledge check question in your interactive video. You just need to pick the timing, and this time I would be going to 25th second and click the plus sign here and pick my knowledge check question. Hit insert, and that's ready. Now the properties for this knowledge check question will be inherited from the actual question. So let's take a look at the question properties for this knowledge check slide. On success, I want to continue. That means if I'm using this knowledge check slide on an interactive video, continue will play the slide. It will resume the slide where it was paused. On failure, what I want is on last attempt, I want to jump to a particular bookmark. In this case, I have my bookmark ready, and that is objective. Let's go back to our video and let's preview it again. So this time, once I will play this video, I should see my overlay slide after 8th second, and after 25th second I should see my question. Let's take a look. Hey guys, this is Justin from eLearning Pundits again. So today we have another video. So objective for this video today is to print learner's name on a certificate widget in Adobe Captivate and how we can print that certificate. Alright, now I have my question appearing inside a video. That's pretty amazing. And if I answer it correctly, it should play the video, but let's try answering it incorrectly. So let's choose false and hit submit. So now it should take me back to the bookmark that I have. The objective for this video today is to print learner's name on a certificate widget in Adobe Captivate and how we can print that certificate. Alright, that's what it has done. It took us to the bookmark and again it's asking the same question. Now if I hit true this time, it should resume the video from here, from project itself. So let me just give you a brief Now we are able to use the functionality of knowledge check slide in our interactive video. So these are the two things that you can use. We can use a bookmark and a overlay slide, and overlay slide could be a content slide or a knowledge check slide in this case. Later in your project, if you want to delete these overlay slide or the bookmarks, you can go back to the timeline, click on the overlay icon that you see, and click the unlink overlay slide. For the bookmark, you can go back and just hit the delete icon you see, and the bookmark will be deleted. So that is it for the interactive video. You can check how interactive video can fit into your situation and how to make most out of it. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.